Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished staff members, comrades and fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Some 50 years back from today, the eternal enemy with all its civil design launched a full-scale war on the soil of the sands Pakistan. That very night, and some in previous break that the British planes erasing Pakistan from the map of the world were being made. The fact was they could not digest the victory of Muslim leaders in the shape of an independent state. The rapid progress after coming into existence by newly born young country was an agonizing factor that could not live with. They got up all their forces and desire was to spread amidst from which they thought that this young country would not extricate itself. But they made a blunder and felt the severe consequences of their evil intentions. They forgot the previous history that this young nation amazed the world. They forgot that if a nation changes history, can defend itself. They forgot that every Pakistani loves this beloved homeland more than his life. We had learned the lesson of sacrifices from our ancestors. Our ancestors laid down their lives here yesterday for our tomorrow. The enemy made a slight mistake to neglect the fact that every Pakistani, every time he touches the soil, the new sense of patriotism arises from deep within. The soil for which our ancestors sacrificed their lives is the eternal source of delight of the people of Pakistan. They attack our soil with all their might, but were forced to retreat. The brave soldiers of Pakistan repeated the history of their elders. They played lives again and forced them to go back. They tied bombs with their bodies and destroyed all kinds of things. Allah enlightened such enthusiasm in their bosom that they became unaware of their lives, their families, and everything they belong. They moved forward and forced the enemy to hide in clothes. Today we celebrate this day. Today we celebrate this day because this day made memorable by their profound level of bravery. They defended the soil of Pakistan with utmost sincerity. They made us proud, they made us walk, talk, they invited courage in us, they made us look straight and plan with our sheer sincerity, loyalty and enthusiasm. They are the children of Pakistan and Pakistan is proud of them. Long live Pakistan, wassalam.